Hi there, everybody. Bill Jr. back again with another episode of Hoppin' To It. Today, what we're here to talk about is the Overhead Care Club that we offer to our awesome clients. And some people get a little confused about what the Overhead Care Club actually is. And in its essence, it is a preferred client or customer maintenance and care package. That's really it. And what it does is once a year, we come out, we're going to do a full 17-point inspection of your roof, of your gutters, your attic space, make sure everything is operating properly. In addition, we're going to come out and clean out those gutters once a year. So when we come out, we're actually going to clean out the gutters. And the other nice thing is we're going to clean off any debris on the home. So if there's tree limbs, if there's debris up there, anything like that, we're going to clear it off for you. And what's even better than that is when the guys come out and do that inspection, any little routine stuff they see, hey, if a pipe boot needs an extra little dab of caulk, if we got a caulk up around a chimney flashing, things of that nature, we're going to just do that pro bono and take care of you. Because those are the routine maintenance items that can really prolong the life of your roof. And that's the whole point. Extend and get you the full life of that roof and really keep you from ever having to get up on that roof. As an added bonus, when you're a part of the OCC, there are some really great benefits. And really what that is when we have major storms, when we have major weather events, and there's damage to your home, damage to your roof, damage to your gutters, to your siding, anything like that. Well, everyone at that point is calling a roofer, and everyone's getting backed up, and there can be 2 and 3 and 4 week wait times for different things. When you're a part of the OCC or the Overhead Care Club, you don't wait. You go right to the front of the line for your appointment, and then the repair goes right to the front of the line there as well. So there's no waiting because you have expressed that you are one of our priorities by being a part of that Overhead Care Club. In addition to that, I know we keep going on it, but there is more. Whenever we have a repair done for you, you get 10% off our straightforward pricing. Being a part of the OCC is the only way for us to discount our straightforward pricing at all for you. And when you're in it, you automatically get 10% off any repair that we do. And as long as you're a member of that OCC club, that repair will move to a lifetime repair guarantee. So if that leak ever happens again in that spot, we're coming back out and we're fixing it for you for free. So think about that. We come out once a year, clean off the roof, clean out the gutters, do any routine maintenance that may be needed up there, perform a 17-point inspection, including the attic, the gutters, the roof, everything up there. If there's a major wind event, or if you ever experience an issue, you're not waiting all 2-3 weeks at a time. You go right to the front of the line. And any work that you have done goes right to the front of the line as well. And then to top it all off, you get 10% savings on any repair and work that you have done. So it is really a win-win-win-win-win all the way around because we continue to develop and deepen our relationship with you and our ability to care for you and extend the life of your roof. You're going to just do that exactly, extend the life of your roof and your gutters. And at the end of the day, you're going to be given the peace of mind that you're having the best craftsmen, the best experts out there to give you the longest life. And it really does protect you because you're never getting up on that roof again either. And I do stress this, we joke about it. What's the best way to not fall off a roof? Don't get up there. Let us do that. Let my experts hop to it for you. Get up there, do this work for you that needs to be done regardless, right? It has to happen, so let us come out and do it. Let the experts do it for you. Let us take care of it for you. And the great thing is, even if you have gutter guards up there, remember, gutter guards are not maintenance free. You still got to clean them off every so often, make sure there's no debris trapped up there. So even if you're not, you don't have gutters, you can still be a part of this. It's just at a slightly less monthly rate, right? It's $9.95 a month if you don't have gutter cleaning, $14.95 a month if you do, and you really get that wonderful long-term protection. So hop to it. Contact us today at 586-566-0308. And schedule your time to have myself or Todd or Mason or Justin or my dad come out there and walk you through the benefits of that OCC and how it can save you time, save you money, and extend the life of your roof while keeping you, your loved ones, and your home safe. Thanks again for tuning in. We can't wait to hop to it for you and talk to you soon.